Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add round corner frame effect in a video using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have selected a blank video template, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and here we are just searching for something good like flowers or fruits. Okay. So here, as you can see, there are lots of fruits videos available, right? So whatever the video you want, you can simply select and drag and drop that video over here. Now what we are going to do is set this video as background, and here again I am searching for frame in the elements, and we are going to all, and here you can select any frame as per your requirement, and you can simply make the corners more rounded, right? And here in the elements again I'm just adding the same video in this frame. Okay, and I'm double tapping on this frame so that I can adjust the video so that it coincides, right? Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a stroke to it of whatever the size you want and of whatever the color you want. So I've added the stroke color from here. Okay, now we are just searching for a shape. Okay, here is our shape. We are changing its color to white, and then we will simply add this shape and send this shape one layer backward, send backward, and then we will set the transparency, right, like this. Okay, and now we will increase its duration as per our requirement. We can do that easily. Let's decrease this. Okay, now as you can see, our video is ready and it will look like this. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.